Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I won't be making any drink. I'll be making some sorbet with two different things. We're going to use some frozen cherries and frozen pineapple. So I'm putting my juicer together. So I've changed the attachment. So this is the other one. So let's get my machine up and running. So guys, these are what I'm gonna use. Some pineapples, frozen, and cherries. So let's get into it, guys. So guys, I'm going to, let's open the cherries first. I think I should use the pineapple first, but anyway, I still gonna have to open everything. Wow, these look so nice. So we don't need any cutting board today, because of course we're just using some frozen pineapples. This is going to be very refreshing. Trust me, it's going to be nice. I'm losing some. I don't want to lose any more. Good. Wow, guys, the pineapple is so sweet. So let's let me see how soft this is. Guys, I'm gonna put back the cherry in the fridge and start making my sorbet. I don't want this one to thaw out too much. So we are starting to put in our pineapple frozen. So let's turn the machine on. So guys, this is a healthy way without any dairy. So you know, pineapple, it has vitamin C, bromelain, which helps the digestion and reduce inflammation. And as you know, vitamin C supports immune function and can help prevent skin cell damage. So, you know, on a hot day, you can always make this if you have friends coming over and serve it up. So guys, I'm popping the frozen pineapple in my Cuvin River A30, and the pineapples are sweet, guys. I taste just a piece of it. It was sweet as. So I know I am going to enjoy having this. And for those who don't have a juicer, you can use a blender too. make it, or a Ninja or a NutriBullet. So you can get your calories, protein, and the total fat in this sorbet is 0.5 grams and saturated fat 0 grams. So wouldn't want to try something as lovely as this? Look at the bright nice color twirling out of the juicer. So it's almost time to start doing the cherry, so let's keep going, guys. So guys, this is our first batch of sorbet, and this is a pineapple. Wow. So we're gonna go in and start with the cherries. That is it, guys. I'm gonna chuck this in the fridge so it doesn't get extra soft. So guys, I'm gonna put this aside and we're gonna start with so here goes the cherry, and I can smell it, guys. You want to come in my kitchen and smell how it smells of the cherry and the pineapple. The way how the juicer crushes and squeezes, it just makes the entire kitchen smell nice. And guys, do you know that cherries help you to recover from illness? It helps with your heart, arthritis, gout, give you a better sleep, and much more, guys. So guys, cherries also help to reduce cholesterol. So if you don't want to have the drink and you don't want to eat it and you feel for something cool in the day, run to your kitchen and do a whip up. Look how beautiful those cherries are. I tell you, when I saw the pack of cherries in Aldi, I had to buy 3 packs. So this is gonna turn out very nice and nutritious. So guys, remember I put away a half pack, so now we're gonna go for it. And we are gonna start putting it in the juicer. So guys, I've thrown out some more of the cherry from the other pack, so we're gonna keep going. So when it comes to vitamin B, cherries versus blueberries are nearly neck to neck. So blueberries tend to contain more vitamin B1 and cherries contain more vitamin B2, B3 and B5. So this is going to be very, very, very good. You can give it to your baby, you can give it to your kids. It is very healthy. And guys, there is a little button, super thanks and join button. If you want to join this channel, you're free to do so. And remember guys, I read all the comments, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, guys. It helps the channel. So let's keep rolling. Look at how everything comes out smooth and nice. So we are gonna get into the serving in a short while. So guys, here I have some blueberries. I'm gonna use it to decorate one of the sorbet at the top. And we have some frozen cherries and pineapple. So we are going to go in and serve now. So let me go and get everything from the fridge. So guys, there you have it. So I'll put them, just serve them in this coconut dish. It's so handy. Let's see if we can get one more out of this. Yes, we're getting one more. So guys, I'm just gonna bring this a little bit closer, and we're gonna drizzle a little bit of sprinkles. So guys, there you have it. I'm gonna put just a mint, so guys, subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Let's give you guys a close-up look.